Hello everyone, this is Nitish and this is Plums Initiative, which is Prelims Level Up MCQ series. Here we discuss 5 MCQ daily and this will help you in your UPSC preparation. Today is episode number 249 and I am dealing with economics MCQ. But before starting this class, I would like you to please subscribe the channel and also like and comment on videos. These contents are free of cost, so for test series and foundation video, you can contact to Vice Sir on WhatsApp 7200 681 675. So let's begin. Today's MCQ number 1. In the context of economy, what do you understand by the phrase golden rule of public finance? Option A. It states that over the economic cycle, the government should borrow only to invest and not to fund regular expenses. Option B. It states that there would be neither profit nor loss and all companies would earn the same rate of interest in an evenly rotating economy. Option C. It states that the nation as a whole cannot increase its wealth by increasing its stock of money. And last option, it means that behind every welfare check and each research grant lies the tax money of the real people. So I will give you 5 to 6 seconds. Try to answer this question. So its correct answer will be option number A. That is, it states that over the economic cycle, the government should borrow only to invest and not to fund regular expenses. And it is already written in the explanation part also, that is, the golden rule of public finance states that over the economic cycle, the government should borrow only to invest and not to fund current spending. And in layman terms, this means that the government borrow to finance investment so that it can benefit future generations, which is the option number A. MCQ number 2. With reference to retail direct scheme, which one of the statement given below is correct? Option A. The scheme aims to promote retail participation in government securities. The retail direct platform does not allow to invest in sovereign gold bonds. The scheme will allow to buy government securities directly only in the primary market. And last option, non-resident Indians are not eligible to invest in the scheme. So try to answer this question in 5 to 6 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number A. That is, retail direct scheme aims to promote retail participation in government securities. Now look at the explanation that the objective of the scheme is to promote retail participation in government security by providing prices or codes to retail direct gilt account holder, enabling them to buy sell securities under RBI's retail direct scheme. So option number A is the correct one. MCQ number 3. With reference to capital expenditure, that is capex of the government, which of the following statement is correct? Option A. The capex as a ratio of total expenditure of the government has been consistently increasing since last 5 fiscal years. Capital expenditure includes the money spent by government on upgrading or repairing the existing assets. The capex for railways has substantially decreased in the last 10 decades. In the last 10 years. Option D. The government in 2022-23 budget has increased the capital expenditure by 100% in comparison to previous budget. So try to answer this question in 5 to 10 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number B. That is, capex includes the money spent by government on upgrading or repairing the existing assets. So in the explanation, it is also mentioned the same. That is, the money spent by the government on development of machinery, equipment, building, health facilities, education, etc. is capex. And machinery equipments are basically the assets. That's why the existing asset is a term used in the option. That's why the option number B is the correct answer. MCQ number 4. With reference to global methane pledge, which one of the following statement is correct? This question is contemporary affairs, so try to answer this question. Option A. It is an international pledge led by India that aims at reducing the methane emission from the agriculture sector by 50% till 2030. Option B. It is a pledge stating the preservation of permafrost in northern hemisphere in order to reduce methane emission into the atmosphere. Option C. It is a joint US European Union pledge to cut global methane emission by nearly 30% in the next decade. And last option is it is a pledge under the auspices of UNEP to put obligation on member states to reduce methane emission into atmosphere from power sector. So try to answer this question in 5 to 10 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number C. Now let's look at the explanation. Global methane pledge is a joint US European Union pledge to cut global methane emission by nearly 30% in the next decade, which is the option number C. This pledge will be formalized at COP26 climate conference in Glasgow, Scotland. So in the comment section you have to write the year in which this conference has taken place, that is COP26 climate conference in Glasgow, Scotland. Last MCQs of today's class. Which of the following statement is correct with reference to resource impact? It refers to the negative impact on developed economies who helped the developing economy amid COVID-19. It is the benefit to the domestic economy brought by the immigrants. It will impact the emerging market nations as the advanced economies struggle to come out of the economic crisis. And the last is, it refers to 2013 collective reactionary panic that triggered a spike in US Treasury yields. So try to answer this question in 5 to 10 seconds. So its correct answer will be option number A, that is, it refers to negative impact on developed economies who helped the developing economies amid COVID-19. Now let's look at the explanation. Resource impact is also refers to as transfer effect. It refers to negative impact on one who helps other, which means option number A is the application of the resource impact. That is, it refers to negative impact on developed economies who help the developing economies amid COVID-19. So that's all for today. Hope you like the video and content. So next episode will be tomorrow. So please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.